phonic sound of letter H is H. Hut, hair, hammer, helmet, handbag, horn, hand, hat, helicopter, hairbrush, hen, hanger, hippopotamus, house, handkerchief.
Hello everyone, this is Shireen. Last week we learned letter G. So today we will revise before learning the new letter that I've got today. So you remember, just revise the last thing. A, B, K. Then it's D, A. And G. That's A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, K, D, E, F, G. So we learned these letters last week. Today we are going to learn a new letter. Alright, as I said, we are going to learn a new letter. That's a new letter. And the sound of this letter is, and is called letter H. So letter H makes sounds. And how do you write it? Standing line, two standing line and one sleeping line makes letter H. And the sound is, I'll use some ice cream sticks as see, one standing line, and this is two standing line, and there's one sleeping line in between. Does it look like letter H? Yes, it does. So this is a letter H which makes sounds. How about writing this letter? It goes as one standing line, two standing line and one sleeping line. The sound is letter H. That's H. So I have put some pictures and you can go through those pictures and that will help you actually in revising the sound H. So make sure you go through it and repeat after me the letter H and the sound is H. Till then, see you next time. Take care and bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share.